Good morning to all. So already we started the lesson. The name is atmosphere actually. So today we are going to see about the clouds actually. So clouds, we have some idea about the clouds which are all forming on the sky. In this, based on the shape of the clouds, based on the height of the clouds, we have the category. What are the category means? First one, high cloud. Next one, middle cloud. Finally, low cloud. Based on the kilometer, it was segregated. How it will be means from a surface 6 kilometer, from 6 kilometer to 20 kilometer, which are all the clouds is forming. It will be called as high cloud. Middle cloud 2.5 kilometer from the earth surface. From the earth surface 2.5 kilometer. From there up to 6 kilometer, which are all the clouds forming. It will be called as a middle clouds actually. So low clouds will be from the earth surface itself. From the earth surface itself up to 25 kilometer, which are all the clouds. It will be coming under. It will be called as a low clouds actually. Okay. So in these all the clouds. Based on the height they are segregated. Actually, based on the height they are segregated, but each and every clouds is having a different shape. That's based on the shape it was categorized. How sir means you have already read in the 8th standard I think so. Cirrus, cumulus, stratus. These are all the categories. In this cirrus alone you will not get rain. But these two cumulus and stratus shape clouds, you will get heavy rain. Cumulus stratus maximum white layer only, in sometimes a grey color, blue in color. Grey color if you got, which what will be happen? You will get more heavy rain. Is it or not? These two only having this type of clouds only having the chances to rain. But in cirrus, you are not having a chances. It will be having a soft white layer will be there. Dry drizzles alone will be there. Dry frozen ices will be there, but because of this we can't get any rain, but because of the cumulus, because of the stratus, we have the rain actually. Okay, so high clouds actually. In this, what are the types of clouds we are getting means cirrus we are getting cirrocumulus and stratus. Okay, these are all the types of clouds we are getting in this. In this high cloud actually. So, what are the types of clouds we are getting? What are the shape of the clouds we are getting in the high cloud? Means cirrus, cirrocumulus, and cirrostratus. These are all the types of clouds we are getting in the high cloud. In this, the clouds will have the tiny drizzles will be there, dry drizzles will be there, but because of this, in this high cloud, we will not get any rainfall because cumulus alone separately is there means we will have a chances to rainfall. Stratus alone separately is there means we have a chances to get the rainfall. But see, in everything zero is there, so it's a very less chance for the rain and will not get rain also in the high cloud. In this high cloud, this kind of the category of the clouds alone we will get. Okay, next one, middle cloud. In this, alto, cumulus, alto, stratus and nimbus stratus. These are all the categories of the clouds we will get in this. What is that? Middle cloud actually. So what are that? Alto, cumulus, alto, stratus, nimbus, stratus. These are all the types of clouds we will get in the middle clouds. In this, it will be have the white patch layer and group of clouds will be there, and we have more chances in the, especially nimbus stratus. If you got the clouds means we will get the heavy rainfall. Hail we will get, sleet we will get. Okay, because heavy rainfall I already told in the cumulus and stratus alone we will get more rainfall. Here cumulus also is there, stratus also is there, nimbus stratus is there also is there. So in the middle, because of the middle cloud, these types of clouds you will get. So we have a chance, more chances to get the rain actually. Okay, next finally we are going to see about the low clouds. What are the from which kilometer it will be formed? From the earth surface we have more chances to form the low clouds. Okay, in this what are the things is there means stratus cumulus is there, stratus is there, cumulus, nimbus cumulus. So in these two categories, middle and low, we not having a cirrus. We not having a cirrus. So we have more chances in the low clouds type actually. So what are the things we have means? What is that? Stratus, cumulus, stratus, then cumulus and nimbus cumulus. Cumulus. So these all the stratus is there, cumulus is there, nimbus is there. So these all will be types of clouds which giving the rain. So we have more chances rain in the middle and the low clouds alone. Is it or not? So in the high clouds, what are the things we see? Cirrus we see and cirro, cumulus and cirro, stratus. Is it or not? So in this rainfall will not be there. Soft and silky weather, silky cloud we will get. Dry, tiny ice cubes will be there. But because of that we will get rain means no, we will not get rain. So in this high cloud we will not having a chance to get the rainfall. This will be for low clouds. Low clouds, what are the types of clouds is there? Stratus cumulus and nimbus cumulus. These are all the types of clouds you will get in the low cloud. We have more chances to get the rain. Heavy rain, we have a tornadoes chances is there. Hail chances is there. Ice cubes, that will be the hail. That we, at the time of heavy rain means you will get from the sky. No? That all will be like ice cubes. That will be the hail. The kind of rains you will get because of the low cloud. The same thing will be happening in the middle clouds. But what is that? Types of clouds alone will be different. What are the types of clouds actually? In the middle, what is that? Alto. What is that? Alto, cumulus, alto, stratus, and what is that? Nimbus, stratus. So these are all the types of clouds we will get in the middle. These are all the stratus, cumulus, nimbus, everything was shape. Everything was shape actually. Okay, this cumulus, cirrus, cumulus, stratus. Based on this, these are all the shape of the cloud. This shape of the cloud is available in high type of cloud, middle type of the cloud, low type of the cloud. These types was categorized based on the height. 6 to 20 kilometer clouds for means high, middle clouds 2.5 to 6 kilometer. Low clouds from the earth surface the clouds will be formed. That kind of clouds will be low. So based on the forming types of clouds, based on the shape, it was segregated. Okay, I will give the picture of these clouds actually. I will add one picture into the video actually. You can see by using that, by seeing that you can understand this. Okay. So next we are going to see about the precipitation. What is that? Next we are going to see about the precipitation. Precipitation, you already know, you read more about in this, about the precipitation in the science actually. Is it or not? In the science, you read more about the precipitation. What is that? Water vapor. Is it or not? Water vapor. Because of the water vapor from the lake or maybe a pond or from the plant, we are getting the water vapor. This all will be formed as a cloud, and finally we will get the rain after the temperature increase. Is it or not? After the temperature increase, we will get the heavy rain actually. After the temperature increase, we will get the rain actually. That's your precipitation. CIPITATION. is a precipitation. First concept, water vapor. So already we know, we read more about this water vapor, that is a precipitation. What will be happening? It will be like a cycle. From the lake, the water will, because of the high temperature, it will be water will be vapor, and after the water vapor, it will be formed as a cloud, and after reducing the clouds will be moved, and the temperature will be reduced, means again it will be, you will get the rain. This cycle will be called as a precipitation. That's a water vapor concept. Okay, because of this precipitation, we will get a different types of, what is that? I mean, different types of formation we will get. Which are all the types we will get the precipitation, means drizzle, sleet, snow, hail, etc. But before that, because of something only this precipitation happening. What are the first one? Temperature. Okay, then cloud type. Then atmosphere condition. Okay, then altitude. Then precipitation process. So these are all the things. Because of these all will be the precipitation also. Because of the high temperature, it will be happen. After precipitation, because of the cloud type, we will get the rainfall. Atmosphere condition, heavy temperature, that's also will be coming under atmosphere only. Then altitude, height actually, based on the height. For example, the cloud was formed means because what is it? Temperature will be reduced or increased. This all will be happen because of the height. And precipitation process. Because of these are all the process of the precipitation. The climate condition factors influence the forms of precipitation mainly. The precipitation is happening because of these all. Because of these all, the precipitation was happening. Because of what all? Because of the temperature, because of the cloud type, because of the atmosphere condition, because of the altitude, and because of the precipitation process. Okay, these are all the precipitation process. It will be after precipitation, it will be formed. We are getting the rain now. In a different form we are getting. Which are all the types we are getting means. Overall, we are getting this precipitation means. First one, drizzle actually. What is that? First one, drizzle. So, like a small teeny drops of the water. First one, drizzle. So, this diameter of the drop of the water is 0.5 kilometer. What is that? 0.5 millimeter actually. 0.5 diameter. Millimeter actually, the diameter of the water drop will be 0.5 millimeter only. So this kind of drizzles also we will get in the because of the precipitation. Okay, next one we will get with the rain actually. Next one we will get as a rain. This will be normally 5 millimeter. The diameter of the water drop will be 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. This all will happening because of the precipitation. Okay, drizzle, rain actually. Drizzle, rain will be 5 millimeter. Okay, next one, sleet. When a heavy rain, we are getting the ice cubes, no? That will be sleet, and another one is there, hail. These both are same only one. Both are same only. Sleet also we can tell, hail also we can tell. Both are same only. Because of this precipitation, we are getting the sleet types of rain also, hail rains also. With the rain, you will get the ice cubes, small. So based on the size, it will be different. It will be 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter shape of the big ice cubes you will get. This sleet will be the shape, what the size of the ice cubes will be very small, less than 1 centimeter. This will be the sleet, but the hail will be the big ice cubes you will get because from the rain. Okay, and normally another next one, snow. Based on the drizzle. Drizzle also, the continuous rain will be there, but it will, the drops will be 0.5 millimeter only, but continuous rain we will get. Less than that, like we are getting means that will be called as a snow. We will get wet actually. We will get wet, but it will not be like a drizzle also. That kind of things will be called as a snow. So drizzle, rain, sleet, hail, snow. These are all the things happening because of the precipitation. Precipitation concept is water vapor. Okay. Water was vaporing and that vapor was formed as a cloud. Based on the temperature, it will be get rain or maybe a drizzle or maybe a sleet or maybe a hail or maybe a snow, like that. We will get back from to our earth actually. This precipitation was happening because of the temperature, altitude, cloud type and atmosphere condition and precipitation process. Because of the 5 things we are getting the precipitation. After precipitation, overall you will get the rain. The rain means it will be having different name. Like a drizzle we will get, like a rain we will get, like a sleet we will get, like a hail we will get, or like a snow we will get. Okay, yes. Next we are going to see about the rainfall. What is that? Rainfall. So rainfall normally, nowadays we are getting the rain. Nowadays the climate was changed actually. We are in this month which we have now. Actually we will not get rain actually. We will get heavy wind actually. We will not having a chance to get the rain. But we are getting the rain because of some climate changes. So still we not having any idea about this month actually, which you are getting the rain. So next we are going to say about the rainfall. What is that? Rainfall. Okay, in this rainfall, normal rainfall which you are getting nowadays, that will be coming under different types. First one, cyclone rainfall we can take. Cyclone. Because of the cyclone, we are getting the rainfall. Low pressure air, low pressure wind and cold pressure wind. It was because of joining in one place, especially it will happen in the ocean. It will rotate, and that was the water was vaporing towards the clouds. The cloud is forming as a clouds and clouds moving towards the land area. Near to the coastal regions, we are getting the heavy rainfall. Because it's a heavy cyclones means interior of the state also we will get the rainfall. That kind of rains will be called as a cyclonic rainfall. What is that? That kind of rainfall will be called as a cyclonic rainfall. From the ocean, in the ocean the cyclone form. Because of that cyclone, we are getting rain means that all the rain will be called as a cyclone rainfall. Okay, next one, convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall or 4 o'clock rainfall. Or what is that? Convectional rainfall or 4 o'clock rainfall. Actually, convectional rainfall we can get, 4 o'clock rainfall we can get. What is that concept means? Normally at morning we will get the regular sunlight, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock up to we will get heavy sunlight. But after 2 or 3, 4 o'clock, the temperature will be reduced. Suddenly we will get the rainfall. Okay, is it or not? That all will be happen in the summer time. How it will be happen means, from the morning up to 2 or 3 o'clock, the water vapor will be, the process will be happen and it will be formed as a cloud. Because of the heavy temperature, again that ice cubes will be becoming as a rain actually. That kind of rainfall will be called as a convectional rainfall. That kind of rainfall will be called as a convectional rainfall actually. Okay, next one, orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall. Okay. Next one, orographic rainfall. So what is it? Otherwise we will get as a relief rainfall. Otherwise it will be called as a relief rainfall. Normally windward, leeward concept you read, I think so. For example, mountain will be there, the clouds will be there. It will be more towards this area. Because of the clouds, it will be blocked by mountain barriers. Because of the mountain barrier, this all will be rain. Here we will get here, and opposite side you will get the very less rain, but this side you will get heavy rainfall. This kind of rainfall will be called as a orographic rainfall or relief rainfall we can tell. This side will be called as a windward. This side will be called as a leeward. Because of the wind towards this direction, if you travel means the clouds will be moved towards this area. Because of the mountain barriers, it will be give the rain here itself. Opposite side, very less rain you will get. So this side will be called as a windward. This side will be called as a leeward. So this kind of types of rainfall only we are all getting: cyclonic rainfall, convection rainfall, orographic rainfall. Okay, so cyclone rainfall, how it will be? The cyclone will be formed in the ocean. Okay, because of that cyclone near to the coastal region, we will get more rainfall. If the cyclone is heavy, the wind direction was interior of the district means in interior districts also you will get heavy rainfall. This cyclone was forming because of the cold water and cold air and warm wind was joining together and circulating towards one place, and that water, sea water was evaporating towards upward and it was forming as a cloud and moving towards land area. Because of the temperature, we are getting the rain in the coastal region. This is a cyclone. Convection rainfall, from the morning up to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, we will get heavy temperature. At that temperature time, the water will be vapor and that was formed as a cloud. After getting this, when the temperature was reducing, it will be start to give the rain. That kind of rainfall will be called as a convection rainfall or 4 o'clock rainfall. Okay, finally orographic rainfall or relief rainfall we will tell. So the same mountain area, mountain barriers will be there. Mountains is there, that will be called as a, if they stop the clouds means it will be called as a barriers. The wind to blow towards this side means the clouds also move towards this side. Because of the mountain barriers, the rainfall we will get this side itself. Opposite side we will get very less rainfall. That opposite side will be called as a leeward, and which where we are getting more wind and more rainfall, that will be called as a windward. This kind of rainfall will be called as a orographic rainfall. Okay, so that's it about the atmospheric topics. Okay, next we are going to see about the civics lesson. So what are the lesson? What are the topics we are going to see? We can see in the next class. Okay, so don't skip the video. Learn it properly and write. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.